Start.
I am Professor Dr. Vivek Gupta. I am Senior Interventional Cardiologist in Apollo Hospital, Delhi. Today is 13th June and time of Corona. We always remember the whole word life, that how the Corona life was. So I am Professor Dr. Vivek Gupta. My assistant nurse is Padnam. Pannu. Okay. And our technician, Mr. Chandan. And yourself, the person who is doing the recording, is a Facebook Live. I'm going to demonstrate Mr. Agarwal, who is a resident doctor in Apollo Hospital. So this is Apollo Hospital, New Delhi. We are going to demonstrate the procedure of angiography, which otherwise is a very simple thing, but a lot of patients and the family, whenever they are told that angiography has to be done, they start fearing. There are two kinds of fear. One is the procedure fear. Other is if something comes out, then you may require angioplasty or bypass surgery. So today I am going to demonstrate to you that procedure fear should not be there. It is done under local anesthesia. I have just given local anesthesia. It is done through the groin. Show here. And we palpate the femoral artery first. The purpose is to go inside the femoral artery with the help of a sheath. And then a patient is fully conscious. Namaste. Putulal ji.
Namaste.
Namaste. Theek. The patient, there is no anesthesia. First of all, this is important. We give local anesthesia. Then we palpate the pulse of the femoral artery. And then you have seen the blood coming out. This is actually a femoral artery. Show from nearby. And I have already punctured the artery. And with this wire we will introduce the sheath. This is the sheath. The purpose is to have an access. The purpose is to have an access inside the coronary artery. A coronary artery through the femoral artery. So this is the first step, puncturing the femoral artery. Lot of time, young people, they take long time in getting the puncture access. And I have to tell you that this is actually a special technique. This is known as Seldinger technique, where with the help of only needle, you have introduced the whole sheath, which is now inside the femoral artery. The second step is to give heparin. You always give heparin 2.5 thousand unit, because after all you are going to do angiography, which can lead to clot formation. Then the third step is to check the pressure. Now we are directly connected with the help of transducer. Show the transducer. And now you can see on the monitor. Show the monitor. Show the monitor on the top, on the right side. Right side. This is actually a pressure. The patient is having pressure of 180 around systolic. Come back to me. So first of all, local anesthesia, then a puncture. The whole procedure is simple, but I want to tell you how it is so quick in our hands. Then now with the help of this catheter, this is what catheter? Judkin's left catheter. We will introduce this it will go from the femoral artery, and then we will introduce it inside the coronary artery. Show the screen now. We are watching it on the fluoro. Stop there. Continue to show. And this catheter is going inside the aorta. Disconnect. And now I am taking out the wire. The catheter is inside the aorta. And now it has already gone inside the coronary artery. We will inject the dye. I will show you there. We will inject the dye. And with the help of dye, we will be able to see directly the coronary arteries. So you can see the coronary arteries filling up. So we have seen this is the left system, left main coronary artery, dividing into circumflex and left anterior descending artery. The artery which you see the down below is the circumflex artery. We take several views, and the view will tell us the various positions and the blockages, if at all there are, inside the coronary artery. देखो देखो. So we are injecting dye inside the coronary artery and seeing the percentage blockages. So here, come here. This is how we inject the dye inside the coronary artery. Show the LA caudal view. This is the last shot to be sure of the blockages. Come out. Come this side. Now I'm taking out the catheter. We always use the guide wire to take out the catheter, and we will introduce another catheter for the right system. The doctors will know that there are two arteries, coronary artery. One is left, another is right. So we already seen the left system. Now we will introduce a right catheter. This is another Judkin catheter, which will go there inside the coronary artery. The same way we are introducing from the femoral artery, जो groin की artery है, और ये artery मैं हिंदी बोलूँगा, आगे जाके aorta में जाती है और heart में चली जाती है. All the arteries of the body, जितनी की धमनियाँ हैं, वो सारी connected हैं heart से. So we can go inside the heart with the help of these arteries. Show the monitor. So now the catheter, another catheter is there. You can see the catheter on the top, and I will introduce this catheter into the right coronary artery. Earlier it was the left system. Now we will see the right system. You can see this right coronary artery, and there is a tight stenosis in the middle. We will take two views. Chandan, please go nearby and explain. Take the right also. Are also. Okay. So we are taking three views for the artery to be sure that all the stenosis. And you can see, Chandan will tell with the help of his finger, this is the blockage. The artery is narrowed down. So we have finished this angiography now. So we have seen the right and the left. Now we will see the renal arteries. At the same time, when we pull the catheter, we will introduce the catheter inside the renal artery. As you can see, it is going. So we have seen the left renal artery, right renal artery. And now we will see, we will just this is the left renal artery. Come back to me. The procedure of angiography is finished. That means we have seen both the right and the left coronary artery and the renal arteries. Additionally, we can do left ventricular angiography to know the ejection fraction. And I will do with the hand only. Okay, give me the pigtail catheter. So we have seen that this patient has a one artery stenosis by 95%. So again, on the show this side. Yes. Both. Okay. You can see the middle, the artery is narrow, and this is a tight stenosis. Come back to me. You have picture? Now the last part of angiography is to see the ventricular left ventricle, and this is different type of catheter. Pigtail. It's like a pigtail. अंग्रेजों ने नाम ऐसे रख रखे हैं क्योंकि इसकी सुअर की जगह तेल की तरह है, तो उसका नाम रख दिया पिगटेल कैथेटर. This will be introduced inside the left ventricle. यानी कि हार्ट के अंदर जो पंपिंग मशीन है हार्ट का, उसके अंदर जाएगा, and then we will know the pumping function of the heart. So this is a different catheter. It's not going to the artery, it will go into the ventricle. If the science student will know what is ventricle and what is aorta. So this has gone inside the ventricle now. So now we will inject with the help of dye to know the pumping function of the heart. Normally we do use the injector, but in this case we will inject with the help of hand and see how much is the pumping function. This also can be done by the echocardiography, but once you do angiogram, You see the dye is going inside the ventricle. Come back to me. And you have seen the punctuous contractility of the heart. Keep showing that. You see the heart is contracting. The dye is there. You can see the heart contracting. So this finishes the angiogram. Come back to me. Don't see the look at the blood. Blood comes out, but we have not done any. We have not used any blade. So angiography, as you see in here, is a 5 minutes procedure. Because I was explaining to you, so I was a little slow. My record in Apollo Hospital is 2 minutes 40 seconds. So there are too many steps. But when we get so accustomed to the steps that we do it as a part of reflex. So now angiography is finished. We always check the pressure again on the top. The heart pressure is fine because anything going wrong will lead to fall in the pressure. Come back to me. So we have finished the angiogram and now we will discuss with the family because we have to do angioplasty of this patient. And the family agrees, then we will do angioplasty of this patient. So I finished this Facebook Live telling you, myself, Dr. Vivek Gupta, Chandan, Mr.
Vishnu
Agarwal. He's from Bihar and from Mysore. So he is a student here. No, he's already been a medical student and now he's a resident doctor in Apollo Hospital. Thank you very much for watching this live video and we will get back to you with the angioplasty procedure within a while after discussing with the family. Thank you very much. This is Mr.
Das.
Okay, thank you.